Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Zach from XIFU. So, if you are watching together with me, appreciate if you can help me to hit the like buttons for me. Help me to share this out so that we can actually have more viewers for these sections. Again, a quick disclaimer in this section here: we are not doing any buy and sell call. So, if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning, make sure you have your own trading plan. If not, get the advice from professional. Okay. So yeah, we will start with again with the overall of FBM KLCI this morning over here. Again, strong closing above 1500 last week, and this week looks like they are continuing to change the next resistance. Okay, so probably I say the next one will be 1550 level. Okay, this level over here very close to 1550, something that actually we can actually pay a close attention. Okay, whether it will still have a little bit of momentum or not for the Bursa market. Okay, which I think that probably still will. Okay, got chance to probably retest somewhere around this area over here. Okay, now let's into this individual stocks for Bursa Malaysia. Some of the few counters that we do actually kind of like monitor. Okay, these few days. Yesterday, yes, still a bit disappointing with Hatta. I thought morning Hatta jalan a bit already, but in the end, it just didn't really make a follow through. Still kind of like hard. Okay, to break on the immediate resistance. Okay, let's try to look into Hatta. Okay, so this will be the immediate resistance around 2.25. Okay, 2.25 immediate resistance. 2.25. Okay, hopefully my writing is okay. Okay, so will be the immediate resistance they need to kind of like cross first, okay, before they can change this level over here. But yes, even though yesterday didn't really close above that, but I think should not be an issue. Just that probably we have to wait for a few more days for them to happen. Okay, so let's say as long as they are above support, I will still continue to hold. Now let's go into Opstar. Okay, Opstar still the same as well. Above support today also looks like not much movement, but of course now it's the first 30 minutes of the day. So yeah, probably we're gonna check that out later on towards the afternoon section. But so far it's okay lah. They are both still above support. But today I think most of the counter are also very boring. Okay, mostly didn't really move a lot. Again, if you are looking for some pullback counters, since KRC closed above 150, I think a short momentum probably will be coming in as well. So maybe you want to check out some of the so-called potential pullback stocks. Okay, that maybe you want to aim. Okay, for now. Okay, so TTUHB. Okay, I think it's good, but provided they back to the support level, okay, then probably I will consider. All right, so like I said yesterday, copy. Also very nice. The few counters are right down over here. Okay. Now K group today jalan already lah. K group yesterday we do talk about it as well. Jalan a little bit already. Copy I do enter for myself. I think yesterday also I do posted. They actually tested the 20 MA. Sometimes quite nicely. So okay, I decided to take a chance. Try to see whether I got a chance or not. Right for copy. Looks like the first hour is okay, but volume still kind of like a little bit, right? Now the other one is 99 peak mark. Okay, like I said yesterday, I was planning to wait for somehow a deeper pullback, but still didn't happen. But I think 220 is also quite nice to grab. But okay, never mind. Since I enter for my copy, the probably just going to be slightly more patient. Okay, Mr. DIY. Okay, still holding around the support. Okay, probably will consider as well. The other one is copy Mr. DIY, K Group, TTUHB. Okay, I think that's about it. So let's try ADAR. I think the ADAR the other day also make a nice pullback as well. Okay, ADAR is good. If let's say volume today getting lower, I think ADAR is a good counter, okay, for us to monitor as well. Okay, let me know if you got any stock you want me to cover by typing below. If not, I just go through some of the stock idea from here. Then we will end our section this morning. So let's say this morning, mostly I think is a bit now more active. Okay, just now beginning of 9 p.m. is a bit quiet overall for Bursa market. Even my alerts is very quiet as well. Okay, now this one Gamuda looks like they are breaking the downtrend line. Okay, so for those that who are looking for reversal, okay, probably can start to look into it. Okay, yesterday also closed this gap. Okay, so which means temporary is good lah. Okay, for Gamuda. I think for the past few weeks or months, a lot of people ask about Gamuda as well. So my view at the time is like this: below gaps, below downtrend line, is a bit risky. Okay, but since they already closed the gaps, closing the downtrend line, okay, if you want to, probably can plan out the trades. Okay, above 40 cents, I think will be fine. Sorry, not 40 cents, 4 ringgit. Okay, above 4 ringgit, I think should be okay. All right, let's see any other counters that I think is good to monitor. Genetech. Okay, trying to do reversal as well, but this one is with low volume. Notion yesterday got volume. Okay, today also green. Chrono. Chrono also got a bit of volume. Hey, this one also macam doing reversal. Okay, so okay, we got some volume over here. Yesterday, I think this is yesterday volume, right? Let's see. This is today volume. Wow, today volume so high already. Okay, interesting. So this one, once it break, okay, kind of like similar like DIY, copy and smart. Break up. Okay, later they retest. Okay, this is the period resistance, potential turn to support. This is the area that I think is good. Okay, kind of similar like Adaran. I think I will try on Adaran later on. Looks very good with the retest on support. Okay, top glove is moving. Hopefully, some of the glove counter also start to move as well. Okay, turns to green. Good. MSD Golf. Okay, do let me know any counters you want me to look into. If not, probably we do a quick one on this morning and end our sections later on. All right, looks like it's moving, but it's not a lot. Not too exciting overall for the market. Okay, let's look into Hata again before end our sections. Okay, turns to green. But of course, I hope they cross above 225 with some volume. Okay, with some volume would be nicer. Okay, and looking for Suncon, Simpro, SIP Tech. Okay, let's look into Suncon. Suncon overall still in reaccumulation. This is a long period reaccumulation. Again, good if you are looking for long term. Okay, so short term wise, I don't think you will see some movement. Okay, because this is a reaccumulation range, and this is what we call the shakeout range. Okay, now again, do remember here we got a big, so-called, not to say big but some selling is happening. Okay, on top over here. So which means 5 ringgit would be a strong resistance. Okay, 5 ringgit would be strong resistance. So unless you're aiming for 10% from 4 ringgit 50 cents to 5 ringgit, okay, I think yes, it's possible. But this is a reaccumulation, so probably we're going to take time. All right. So, but if you are looking for long term, okay, let's look into weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart still the same. Here is a big shooting star also. So which means the resistance is strong. Okay, the resistance is strong. If you look into my analyzer is using Petrosky F score. Okay, so 8 out of 9. Okay, 8 out of 9, which means it's good. Rating is good. Okay, in terms of fundamental, which is good for long term. So TA wise, around 6 out of 10. Okay, so still okay overall, not too trending, but still in uptrending mode. Okay, so overall, combination of fundamental analysis and technical analysis is 7.3. Okay, so I think it's good considering if you are considering for slightly mid to long term type of time frame. Okay, so there's Suncon. Let's into two more Simprop. Okay, this one also looks like in reaccumulation, going to some. This is the downtrend line here. Crossing today, sorry, not today, 2 days ago. Okay, they start to cross the downtrend line. All right, so temporary reversal is forming. If you want to write on the short terms, so-called short-term uptrend, okay, I think it's possible because they are crossing on the downtrend line. So the next resistance probably you want to take notes is somewhere around here, 1.4 level. Okay, so sometimes probably it will cross, retest a little bit, and then try to change again, right? 1.4. Okay, so yes, good for short terms recover play. Of course, long term wise they are still in reaccumulation also, so not too bad. Okay, now last one, SIP tag. Okay, before we close our sections. Okay, this one's badly hit. I think most of the tag also doing the same, but some of them actually started to recover. Okay, now S&P tag, for me, they are a bit similar like I think just now we saw Notion, okay, where you have some volume suddenly to come in. Okay, so normally got volume, you will see some reversals forming, okay, in the chart, but S&P tag, no reversal yet. Okay, so there are two ways you actually want to do this if you're looking for entry. Either is that you wait for some sort of like a confirmation reversal, which is a close a gap above the gaps. Okay, then you enter. Okay, if you enter right now, your risk is low, but sometimes you will need to wait for a while. Okay, for them to do reversal and then break up. Okay, which is takes weeks to months or sometimes. Okay, now if I can give you an example, I think something similar like TTVHB. I think just now we saw it. Is it TTHB, not TTHB? Okay, try Greta. I think Greta also pretty similar. Okay, I think okay, similar like Greta lah. So just now you saw like Notion got this kind of volume right at the bottom. So sometimes it will drag few weeks. Now started okay to try to make reversal. Okay, so I think S&P tech okay most probably will follow this kind of pattern also. So building up a base, then slowly make a reversal. Okay. So, all right, if let's say there's no questions from the audience, okay, probably today we'll end our session this morning over here. A quick one, just to do look into the overall market conditions. Again, today market is slightly a bit towards the boring, but okay, I do see some content. Hey, DUFU coming already. Okay, actually I also looking into DUFU. Got volume over there. Okay, YTR power also is coming. Okay, YTR power almost close to resistance. Got strength. So for those that who got access to XIFU or XIFU, okay, use the strength candle okay to help you out. All right. So with this, once again, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.